welcome class third. A question mark was striking on your mind that why I am today opening this index part of your English literature and English grammar. So today I want to tell you your syllabus as per the rule norms of CBSE, and you all are knowing about that we have to reduce 30% syllabus from each subject. So today I am going to tell you your syllabus. So from grammar, here I am not going to deduct anything because the grammar is very important, and if I will reduce anything it will be difficult for your next class. So from here no deduction is there, all chapters are there in your syllabus from 1 to 13, but here I am going to reduce your syllabus from English literature, because in English literature there is no connection in this class and in your next class. So for this session 2020-21 in English literature, your syllabus will be from chapter 1 to chapter number 8. Okay, chapter 1 to chapter number 8, chapter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This much is your syllabus, and these chapters are already completed in your copy. Okay, so where you have written half yearly syllabus is completed, you have to write annual syllabus is completed, and these chapters I am going to reduce from the syllabus. These chapters are not there in your syllabus. So your full-fledged syllabus is from English literature, English 1 from chapter number 1 to 8, and in grammar no deduction, because I have deducted 6 chapter here. 30% I have already deducted in English literature. So today we will start our next chapter, articles. Now everyone write today's date, lesson 7, and lesson name is articles a, an and the. So here a is used before a singular countable noun. Countable noun means which we can count, like book, boy, anything, pencil, eraser. This we can count. So before the countable noun, singular countable noun means single. So we are using a book, a boy. Okay, an is also used before singular countable noun. An is also we are using before the single countable which we can count on before the noun. But what is the condition? Condition is this noun should be begin with vowel. Okay, here this begin with consonant. Vowel, you know, a, e, I, o, u. If a singular thing is there and the spelling is not beginning with vowel, then we will write a. But if countable noun is there and that countable noun is 1 in number and the spelling is what? Starting with an vowel, with a vowel. So apple, it is start with the a. Umbrella start with u, and a and u both are vowel. So before this we will write an. Okay. Third is the is used before the particular thing. Particular means the famous monument, the famous book. So like this. So we used the there, the Taj Mahal, the Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, like this. Now next exercise, this from page number 67 you will do in your copy after completing this work. After writing this you will do this work in your copy. So banana begins with b. B is not a vowel, so what we will write? A banana. You will match with this. Ink pot It begins with it starts with I, and I is a vowel. So an ink pot. Sun is a particular thing. So the sun. What? The sun. The moon. Now apple. A. Apple start with A, and A is a vowel. Then you will match with this an. So this exercise do in your copy. Then after that, this also you will do in your copy. Firstly this exercise, then this exercise. Here you have to just select the correct article and write an eye, a table, a banana, a car. Okay, like this. Now next exercise, do yourself in book. Think of 5 such words which do not begin with vowel. Any word which do not starting with vowel A, E, I, O, U, and still an is used. Okay. So what you have to do in this chapter? Firstly, do this work in your copy. After this, then 2 exercises, this one and this one. Another exercises you will fill yourself in your book. There is nothing in this exercise. Now pronunciation time. Now speak with me. Day, say, play, tray, may, name, same, tame, clay, pay. Here parent, care, fair, bear, chair, dare, rare, hair, mayor, pair. So do practice and complete your work.